You guys, I will make your mountain bike sound exactly like a motorcycle or a dirt bike, take your pick, in literally 1 minute or less. So let's get into it. So the thing is, all you will need is a water bottle. Now, I would recommend taking the wrapping off the side just like I did and the top off because you won't need that. Now, you just squish it flat, don't crumple it. Oh. Alright, so next thing you'll do with your squished water bottle right here is right here under your fork, you have this little piece right here. Flatten that little part, stick it right there, and then go back and push at the same time so it stays right there. Now this next part may seem a little weird. You gotta get down here, flip this part up, and blow into it. So it's about like that. So now it looks just like this. Now, that is literally all you have to do, and this is what it sounds like. Better than any football card. And that is how to make your bike sound exactly like a dirt bike in under a minute. Boom.